In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new document in Grammarly Editor step by step so you can start writing, editing, and checking your work in just a few clicks. If you use Grammarly for school, work, blogging, or everyday writing, this is one of the first things you need to know. It's quick, simple, and once you learn it, you'll be able to create new documents anytime without confusion. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the website loads, sign into your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password or continue with the sign-in method you normally use. If you're not signed in yet, Grammarly may ask you to complete the login process before you can access the editor. Once you're signed in, you'll want to go to Grammarly Editor. Depending on your screen, this may appear on the dashboard, in the left menu, or as an option after you log in. Grammarly's interface can change slightly over time, but the goal is the same. Get into the editor where your documents are stored and created. When you arrive in Grammarly Editor, look for the button that says New Document. This is the option you need to create a fresh writing space. Click on New Document and Grammarly will instantly open a blank document for you. This is where you can begin typing anything you want, whether it's an essay, email, article, note, or draft. Now that your new document is open, start typing your text into the editor. As you write, Grammarly will begin reviewing your content and showing suggestions in real time. These suggestions may include grammar fixes, spelling corrections, punctuation improvements, clarity tips, and style recommendations. You can click on any suggestion if you want to accept the change, or ignore it if you prefer to keep your original wording. One of the best parts of using Grammarly Editor is that you don't need to do everything at once. You can write freely first, then go back and review the suggestions one by one. This makes it easier to improve your document while still keeping your own voice and ideas. If you want to stay organized, you can also rename your document so it's easier to find later. That step isn't required to create the document, but it can be helpful if you plan to use Grammarly regularly. Keeping your documents clearly labeled can save time when you return to them later. To recap, the process is very simple. Open Grammarly.com, sign in, go to Grammarly Editor, click New Document, and start typing. Grammarly will then begin showing suggestions as you write, helping you polish your content as you go. And that's it. You now know how to create a new document in Grammarly Editor. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a great way to get started with writing in Grammarly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.